These are the bumpers right here. Startech front and rear, Startech refinement, member of the Brabus group. So next step is we're gonna get these painted at our body shop. They'll be brought back here, and then we'll start the wrap process and of course the installation of the new bumpers. Oh, and by the way, we are dealers for Startech, so if you want anything from Startech or Brabus, let us know, hit us up, we can get those for you as well. In the meantime, this is what it looks like in case you guys are curious. So that's the rear bumper. We got this really cool diffuser, and then that's the front bumper, a lot more aggressive than the OEM ones. And we also have these little side wings I mentioned earlier. It's in one of these boxes, so we'll show you that once it's all painted.
The next morning.
All right guys, so we have it back from the painters. So we painted it black because that's the color of the car. And we just need a simple black because that way we can actually wrap it. This is what the rear bumper looks like. It has an integrated rear diffuser, which is really cool. It's pretty aggressive. Okay, those are the fins for the side skirt area.
We call these side blades.
Yeah.
Because it's shaped like a blade.
Yeah, sure.
You know what I'm saying?
Yep, I do.
Oh, that's so dope. It comes with real taillights. Oh, sorry, wait. This is a reverse light. No, because there's two of them. Rear tail lights. Yeah, for sure. Where do they go?
I think that's for the front bumper.
Oh. Comes with front tail lights.
What? You mean? Oh, never mind. And the rear bumper, I like this part. It has a little vent area on the sides, so that way, you know, airflow and aggressiveness. That was good.
That was good, right?
That was so good. It was. And here's the front bumper. The fog lights go in here.
Tail lights, the rear tail lights?
It has a lot more detail than I thought in person. Like the angles here and here. This is not like your typical aftermarket body kit where it's made out of fiberglass. This is polyurethane. So this is OEM bumper material. It fits so much better than fiberglass. Fiberglass is really stiff and you can't do much with it. But because it's polyurethane, it flexes. So now we're doing a test fit to make sure everything fits right with the factory body lines.
German engineering.
What piece are you working on, Russell?
Side skirt. Pew pew pew! I'm getting fired. If you go to car meets and shoot flames, maybe pow 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 pow.
Anyone used to do that with GTR.
Struck down lightning.
Yeah. Try to be Thor. Bring me
Nah, you can't do that.
Bring me
Nah, you can't do that.
This might be the first Startech Model 3 in Houston, and possibly Texas in general. The 3 originally has really round, soft body lines, so Startech does away with all that pretty much, and sharpens the front and rear body lines, giving it more of a European aggressive styling. The OEM lights under the headlights are replaced now with Startech's more rectangular lights. They're nice lights, super bright, and they match well with the factory headlights in terms of brightness and color temperature. As mentioned before, the fitment on the body kit is perfect. The panels line up so well, you would have no idea it was an aftermarket kit if you've never seen a Tesla Model 3 before. Unfortunately, the opposite can be said more often than not when it comes to a lot of other brands. The side wings are pretty nice too. Great option if you want just a little accent on the ends without having an entirely new piece that stretches across the car. Only piece missing is the rear spoiler since the client has another one they want to put on. And of course the car is wrapped in satin black, which looks awesome with the new body panels. We left some areas gloss black to match with Startech's original color scheme. Plus an all satin car looks a little too much, so the balance is good right now. So it's a perfect combo with the new aggressive lines on the Startech bumpers. You like it?
I love it.
For the
brand new car, dude. It looks great, man.
That looks nice.
Hope you guys like that wrap project. We have a lot more Tesla wrap projects and other wrap projects coming up, so stay tuned. If you're in Houston, you want to wrap your car, or you're willing to transfer your car to Houston, that's cool with us. We'd be more than happy to wrap it for you. Our contact info is in the description down below. We will see you next time.
Bring me potatoes.